To upload an image inside of ContentM, first navigate to the page that you want to upload to. Once on that page, click the Edit Page button, and this is going to load up our page editor. Go on the editor where you want to actually insert the image. In this case, I'm going to insert it above the text, so I hit Enter, and I'm going to click the Images button located right here on the toolbar. This is going to give you three options. Your first option is to enter a URL of an image. That would be one that might not be on your site. If you do a search in Google and it loads up an image and you want to use that, you can paste the URL here. The only problem with that is if that image eventually gets deleted off of that website, the link will be broken and then your image won't appear on your site. So it's a good idea to maybe save the image first and then upload it. If you'd like to use an existing image that you already uploaded, you're going to click this radio button. And if you know what it's named, you can type in the name here, or you can just do a blank search and it'll load up all of the images that you have loaded. Your third choice is to upload a new image. You click this radio button here and then it allows you to choose the file that you want to upload. Now when you upload an image, it's going to give you some options to insert your image at its original size, small, medium, large, or custom. What you want to do is always upload it at its original size. Even if it's a large file, that won't matter. So we upload it the original size. The reason for this is we're allowed to resize the image after the fact. So I just go ahead and hit upload, and it's uploading my image. Now we see that the image was successfully uploaded, but here we see that it's very, very large. I uploaded a very large image. So from here what we do is we can select the alignment of how we want it to appear in the text, but first let's change the height of it. Actually, let's change the width. If you change the height, you have to know what the width dimension is, but if you want to change the width and keep the proportion, all you do is type in the width and then it automatically resizes it to the size that you want it to be. Now you can see the alignment of the text is below the image. So if we select alignment and then left, it puts the image to the left of the text, placing the text right to the right. The second thing you're going to want to do after you choose the width is figure out what you want to call this image. It's a good idea to name all of your images because for search engines they actually read the image names and it just helps your site out. So in this case we'll just name this one Williamson Business. And the title you don't have to worry about. If you put a title in, it'll actually put it underneath the image. So once we have everything we want here, we go ahead and hit OK. And you can see that it drops our image in. Now this image was very large, so it's going to take some time to load it. If you do resize some images, you want to keep them more than maybe 800 width or 600 height. Once this is done, we just hit submit, and it uploaded and inserted our image into the page.